Introduction: the role of startup and shutdown.
Wind turbines convert wind energy into electricity, but they cannot run non-stop. Controlled startup and shutdown procedures protect the machinery and ensure optimal energy output. These steps involve precise technology and built-in safety systems, all working together to match changing wind conditions and demand for power.
How wind turbines start up.
Startup begins when wind speeds reach the minimum or cut-in threshold, typically around 7 to 10 miles per hour. Sensors detect wind conditions and control systems unlock the rotor. The blades pitch to an optimal angle and the rotor begins turning. Once rotation is steady, the generator connects and electricity production begins, ramping up as the wind strengthens.
Monitoring during operation.
During operation, sensors continuously monitor wind speed, turbine speed, and equipment conditions. The control system adjusts blade pitch and direction for maximum efficiency and safety. If the wind becomes too strong or changes suddenly, automatic controls take action to avoid overload or other issues, helping ensure reliable and safe performance.
How wind turbines shut down.
Shutdown occurs for planned maintenance, very low winds, or high wind conditions, usually above 55 miles per hour. The blades rotate to a low resistance angle to reduce rotation, and brakes are applied to slow the rotor further. The generator disconnects from the grid, and the turbine comes to a complete stop, ready for maintenance or to restart when conditions allow.
Safety and reliability.
Modern wind turbines have multiple safety layers. They feature automatic shutdowns for dangerous conditions and manual controls for technicians. Redundant systems like backup brakes and sensors help prevent damage. These controls ensure wind turbines can work efficiently, safely, and reliably, producing clean energy while protecting equipment and personnel.